Automobile and truck accidents can result in devastating consequences, ranging from minor injuries to fatalities. Among the most horrifying outcomes are cases of decapitation, where individuals lose their heads due to the sheer force and violence of the impact. While advancements in vehicle safety technology have reduced the overall fatality rate in accidents, decapitations remain a tragic reality, highlighting the need for continued efforts to improve road safety. Here are the statistics regarding decapitations in automobile and truck accidents. According to data compiled by various traffic safety organizations and government agencies, such as the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, thousands of individuals lose their lives each year in vehicle accidents, and these fatalities unfortunately involve decapitation. The specific number of decapitations resulting from automobile and truck accidents varies from year to year and across different regions. However, even a single instance of such a horrific outcome is one too many. While precise statistics may be challenging to ascertain due to variations in reporting and classification methods, the available data underscores the severity of the issue. Let's look at some causes and circumstances. Decapitations in automobile and truck accidents can occur under various circumstances, often involving high-speed collisions, rollovers, or impacts with large commercial vehicles. The force generated during these accidents can lead to catastrophic injuries, including severe trauma to the head and neck. In many cases, failure to wear seat belts or improper restraint usage can significantly increase the risk of decapitation. Ejection from the vehicle during a crash amplifies the likelihood of sustaining fatal injuries, including decapitation upon impact with objects or other vehicles. Here are some key vehicle safety measures. Modern vehicles are equipped with a range of safety features designed to mitigate the severity of accidents and protect occupants. These include airbags, seat belts, crumple zones, and advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, such as automatic emergency braking and lane keeping assist. While these safety measures have undoubtedly saved countless lives, they may not always prevent decapitations in severe accidents. The sheer force involved in high-speed collisions or collisions with large commercial vehicles can overwhelm even the most advanced safety systems, resulting in catastrophic outcomes. As far as prevention and awareness go, preventing decapitations in automobile and truck accidents requires a multifaceted approach that addresses various factors contributing to road traffic incidents. This includes strict enforcement of traffic laws and regulations, including seatbelt usage requirements. Public awareness campaigns emphasize the importance of safe driving practices and adherence to speed limits. Implementation of infrastructure improvements, such as the installation of barriers and guardrails on highways, to reduce the risk of crossover collisions. Continued research and development of advanced vehicle safety technologies aimed at minimizing the severity of accidents. Many of the most dangerous states to drive in have stretches of rural highways through mountain passes, including Montana, New Mexico, Wyoming, and Arizona. These roads become extremely treacherous during the winter, when snow, ice, and deadly speed limits often mix with tragic results. Montana and South Carolina remain the deadliest states for drivers in 2023. Speeding is responsible for more than a third of fatal crashes in both states, but impaired and negligent driving led to nearly 90% of Montana's auto fatalities. Texas, however, is the most dangerous state for negligent driving, where impaired drivers cause 91% of fatal accidents. Texans are also the most confrontational drivers in the country, which may contribute to why fatal collisions increased in Texas by 16%. In conclusion, decapitations in automobile and truck accidents represent a grim reality that underscores the need for ongoing efforts to enhance road safety. While advancements in vehicle technology and safety measures have undoubtedly saved lives, there is still much work to be done to prevent such tragic outcomes. By prioritizing awareness, education, and the implementation of effective safety measures, we can strive to reduce the incidence of decapitations and ensure safer roads for all. I hope this information can be useful in saving lives and making people aware of this horrible statistic. Please like this video, subscribe, and thank you for watching.